Pick one.
Do you know what they say?
I wrote them. Yeah.
Yeah!
Now show me the other one.
Other one. They were both good.
What is going on? I am so dead. Oh, look.
Here's the peanut. There's not more over there. Oh, wait. No, this is another of one. I think this is Vaseline.
Here, Mom. I'm gonna leave them right now.
That one sucks.
Ew.
Yeah, I know. Ooh.